Imagine indulging in the fantasy of dwelling in a bespoke sanctuary crafted just for you. Behold, trees and unparalleled heaven nestled in Hull, poised to capture your heart. Take your pick from a variety of non-ensuite and ensuite apartments, each boasting a private realm complete with a snug bed, a desk with a chair, a capacious wardrobe, ample drawers, and limitless Wi-Fi ensuring seamless connectivity. Yet that's merely the beginning. Enjoy substantial savings with utilities bundled into your rent and bid farewell to daily nuisances with dedicated parking and weekly cleaning services. Moreover, luxuriate in this stylish communal lounge, an ideal space for forging bonds with fellow residents. Regarding location, the University of Hull is just a stroll away, guaranteeing prompt attendance to early morning lectures. Indulge in culinary delights at Prima, Petra Indian Peri Peri and Grill or Benedict's. For essentials, convenient stops at Price Crunch or Tesco Express are a mere hop away. Nearby bus stops like the Trees and Hull Community Church ensure effortless daily commutes. So what's holding you back? Visit amberstudent.com now to secure your flawless retreat at the Trees Hull today.